just vibe with it. You know, if you want to put your flashlights up, that'd be great too. I know I keep on asking for that, but it looks dope. You know what I mean?
Girl, I'm just vibing, I'm sliding, no worrying me. We just surviving the night, ain't got no sympathies. You get the vibes, left and right, get the fuck away from me. Ooh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Make it red like Rainforest, freeze and I run like Forest. Like you really made me work hard for it. Conversations through the night to the morning. Drink out the lady, don't make me wait impatient. Can never grow complacent. For you, there's no replacement. Moving forward, foot on the gas, I'm flooring. You're the only one I'm sure is. So against the world, look into my eyes, put your hand in mine. Let me in the night, let me in the night. Girl, I'm just vibing, I'm sliding, no worrying me. We just surviving the night, ain't got no sympathy. You get the vibes, left and right, get the fuck away from me. Ooh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Space and time, miles apart. I'll always be with you, down from the start. Deep in your heart, in the corner of your mind. Know that you the only one. Now I feel it on the ooh, girl, I'm just vibing, I'm sliding, no worrying me. We just surviving the night, ain't got no sympathy. You get the vibes, left and right, get the fuck away from me. Ooh, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Make some motherfucking noise one time. Louder for Mark Tuan so you can hear in the back. Alright. Thanks, man. First time in Chicago, man. You guys have been fucking amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'll tell you this right now. I fucking love y'all. Is there a way that we can hug? Alright, just gonna give you guys a. Alright, we'll do hearts, okay? Well, you wanna do this real quick? Alright, we're gonna do hearts, okay? Everyone on the count of 3, do a heart, yeah? Well, actually, yeah, you can choose your own heart, whatever. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Fuck yeah, dude. I love y'all, man. But when I say Marky, y'all say Tuan, Marky. Marky. No, just because I'm going soft, you guys gotta go loud, you know what I'm saying? When I say Marky, y'all say Tuan, Marky. Marky. When I say Marky, y'all say Tuan, Marky. Marky. Hell yeah. Dude, you guys think you ready for this show right now? I don't know. I've seen it maybe about 15 times and I'm still not ready for it, you know? Let's see if we could make Mark hear it like way up there. Let's see if we could scream the loudest that you fucking have ever screamed before. Yeah? On the count of 3, ready? I swear to God, this is the last time I'm gonna get you guys to do this. But let's see if Mark can hear it, okay? On the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Fuck yeah! Almost blew out one of my eardrums and shit. Jesus Christ. Hey, you know what? Thank you guys so much for this. I know you guys didn't know that you're gonna see me tonight, but I appreciate the hospitality and I fucking love y'all.